rented a scooty. 600 rupees for the whole day. 4 beaches, 1 island, 1 scooty. And one of these beaches, I am telling you, this one changed everything. Oh, and by the way, this island, almost nobody here. Like actually nobody. Well, except one beach. Good morning people. So we reached Neil Island from Havelock around 10 a.m. And the plan is simple. Rent a scooty, visit every beach on this island, get back before sunset. And honestly, the moment I started riding, I realized something. This island is different. Like completely different from Havelock. Way smaller, way quieter, less touristy. Actually, let me tell you something. Neil Island beaches, there are 4 main beaches that everyone talks about. Bharatpur Beach, Lakshmanpur Beach, Ramnagar Beach, Sitapur Beach. And I wanted to hit them all today. Some of these beaches, not what you expect at all. First stop, Ramnagar Beach. Now, honestly, I didn't know much about Ramnagar Beach. Before coming here, like barely anyone talks about this online. There's a reason for that. Yeah, so Ramnagar Beach, Neil Island, it's not a swimming beach. Water is rough. Lots of rocks, very natural, very raw, and there was literally nobody here, just us. And you know what? After seeing how packed some places were in Havelock, this felt perfect. Like sometimes you don't need facilities or water sports or crowds. You just need a beach that's quiet. Look at these rocks here. Looks like some movie set. But yeah, Ramnagar, good for peace, not for swimming, not for activities. Just sit, look and leave. Alright, next stop, Sitapur Beach. Now Sitapur Beach is interesting because most people come here for sunrise, like 5 a.m. sunrise, done and leave. We didn't do that because we are not 5 a.m. people. We came during the day, and honestly, even during the day, Sitapur Beach is quite empty. Not a swimming beach, not a hangout beach, it's just there. But the interesting thing is, there are accommodations here. Like there are some lovely stays near Sitapur beach side, quite away from the main areas. Saw them while riding. If you want that isolated Neil Island experience, where you're just away from everything, Sitapur accommodation. That's where you stay. But for us today, just a quick visit. Nothing much happening here during the day. Next beach. Third stop, Lakshmanpur Beach. Now this one is the famous one. Everyone talks about Lakshmanpur Beach, Neil Island. Why? Natural bridges. So there's this natural rock formation here, like a bridge made of rocks. And it's become very popular. And I thought, okay, natural bridge must be peaceful, empty, scenic. Yeah, no. So the first bridge where everyone goes, it's packed, like completely packed with people, families, couples, groups, everyone are here. And look, the bridge is beautiful, genuinely beautiful. The rock formation is stunning. Bro, it's like 50 people on the rock. Yeah, exactly. So we didn't stop there because here's what we did. We walked through, like instead of stopping at the first bridge with everyone else, we just kept walking. And you know what? So same beach, Lakshmanpur Beach, but if you walk a little further from where everyone stops, you get this empty, peaceful, just the rocks, the water and silence. And the bridge, you can see it from here too, but without 50 people standing on it. This is what I came to Neil Island for. Not the crowds, not the tourist spots, just this. Why doesn't anyone come here? I don't know, yaar. Maybe they don't know it's here. Maybe they just stop at the first bridge and leave. Either way, this is ours now. Lakshmanpur Beach, walk past the crowd, find your own spot. That's the move. Alright, fourth beach, Bharatpur Beach. Now, Bharatpur Beach is the most popular beach on Neil Island. It's right near the jetty, easy access. It's the main swimming beach. So I thought after Lakshmanpur Beach being so nice, maybe Bharatpur Beach will be peaceful too. Nope. Yeah, so Bharatpur Beach, Neil Island, this is it. And lots of people. The beach itself is nice. The water is clear, good for swimming. I get why people come here. If you like the vibe, water activities, people around, touristy beach, then Bharatpur Beach is perfect for you. So yeah, we didn't stay long, took some photos, walked around and then left. Because There was one more beach that I was waiting the whole day, the Sunset Beach. So we rode back to Lakshmanpur, but not the same spot. Lakshmanpur Beach too, the Sunset Point. This is what everyone actually comes to Neil Island for. The beach, the sunset, yeah. And after everything today, the empty Ramnagar, the lonely Sitapur, the crowded first Lakshmanpur, the chaotic Bharatpur, this made sense. This is why you come to Neil Island. Not for one beach, not for activities, not for tourist spots. You come for this moment when the day is ending. The light is perfect, the beach is quiet, and you just sit. This is the best beach on Neil Island. Not because it's the prettiest, not because it's the most empty, but because this is one that makes you feel like you're exactly where you're supposed to be. So 4 beaches, 1 day, 600 rupees scooty. You know what I realized today? Neil Island isn't about ticking off beaches. It's about the ride, the empty roads, the moments between the beaches, and then that one sunset at the end when everything just clicks. That's Neil Island. If you're planning Andaman, subscribe. More videos are coming up. Next stop is Port Blair. The places even few people talk about. See you there.